Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create clean UI dashboards in Looker Studio, step by step, beginner-friendly, and fully updated for 2026. If your dashboards feel cluttered or confusing, yeah, a clean design makes insights much easier to understand. First, start by planning your layout. Decide which KPIs, charts, and tables are most important. Keep the number of elements limited so users can focus on what really matters. Now open Looker Studio and create a new report. Connect your data source like GA4, Google Ads, or Google Sheets. Make sure all metrics and dimensions are correctly formatted. Next, add scorecards for high-level metrics such as total users, revenue, conversions, or sessions. Place them at the top for immediate visibility. Then add charts to show trends, line charts for time-based metrics, bar charts for category comparisons, and pie charts for proportional data. Keep chart types simple. Avoid unnecessary 3D or complex visuals that distract from the message. Use colors and fonts wisely. Stick to a minimal color palette and consistent font sizes. Highlight key numbers with accent colors while keeping the rest neutral. So yeah, subtlety matters here. Add spacing and alignment. Group related charts and leave enough white space between elements. A clean layout improves readability and reduces cognitive load. Filters and date range controls should be intuitive. Place them at the top or side so users can easily interact without scrolling through cluttered menus. Finally, test your dashboard in view mode. Check that charts, filters, and metrics update correctly. Make adjustments to spacing, alignment, or colors if needed. And that's it. By focusing on layout, minimal elements, clear charts, and consistent styling, you can create clean, professional dashboards in Looker Studio. If this guide helped, like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.